Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Basically, it's pretty simple, but before I get to that, I can offer you Shopify for 3 days for free, no credit card required, and then you only pay 1 month that first month. Now, so you wouldn't pay 32, you're going to pay €1. So if you want to import the reviews from AliExpress, I would just type in review in the search bar. Basically, this is apps.shopify.com, and you see Ali reviews. So this is the app you will use to import reviews from AliExpress. You need to be logged in to install it. You will just follow on-screen instructions, pretty simple. As you can see, they have a free plan where you can import only 5 reviews, and then you have $10, $20, and $40, depending on what you need, but this will do the job if you want to import those reviews. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to use the link in the description.